Hello everyone, this is Rex again of Rex Top Sim Driving. So today my video is all about fuel efficient driving techniques. Fuel efficient driving techniques can really save you hundreds of dollars in your fuel consumption. Okay? Do these tips, guys. Do these techniques as you drive, and you're gonna save money. Okay, and at the same time, if you're doing this, you can also lessen the carbon dioxide emission to our environment in as much as around 25%. Okay, so do this one as much as you can all the time. It will make you safe. At the same time, as I said, you're saving the environment as well. Okay, so technique number one, accelerate gently. Yes, okay. So when you're driving, guys, okay, from a stopping position, you really have to take it easy, okay? Yeah, after checking everything, looking far ahead where you want to go, take your time to build up that speed, okay? On the other hand, because you're not driving that fast, even right at the start, if you needed to stop, so to say, right away, you should be able to stop or press the brake gently as you can, okay? So again, accelerate gently, brake gently, will really saves you money, okay? So the harder you press the pedal, I tell you, more fuel consumption. Think of that gas pedal as your money pedal, okay? The harder you press it, more money gonna be consumed, okay? Easy in your gas, easy in your consumption or in your gas expense, okay? And of course, you think about all the other running parts of the vehicle, your tires, your brakes, your rotors, your brake pads, your rotors, and obviously you think about the suspensions, okay? So easy, okay? Accelerate gently, brake gently. That is a technique number one. Okay, go to technique number two. Maintain a steady speed. Yes, okay? The more you kind of press the gas too much and then press the brakes, obviously, soon enough, okay? So that means your speed is up and down. That means more fuel consumption, okay? So easy, okay? Maintain a steady speed. If it allows you to drive straight, the road is straight and flat, put that cruise control, okay? Keep that speed steady. You will be consuming less, okay, in your gas consumption. Make it as a habit to keep that speed, okay? You're going down the hill. I know you're gonna be speeding up. I mean, take it easy. You go up the hill. Don't press the gas too much, so that when you go down, you're not gonna be pressing the brakes too much as well, because again, your speed is too much, or you're gonna be kind of in trouble as well because your speed gonna be too much. Okay? Maintain a steady speed. Again, will saves you money. Okay. Technique number three. Okay? We call it anticipation, and as well as avoid unnecessary idling. Okay, what do you mean by anticipation? Okay, by looking around, listening to something, you will know what's gonna happen maybe up ahead. Okay, so you hear sirens, you hear clamping of the cars maybe, that means there might be an accident up ahead. Pay attention to that, anticipate what's gonna happen, look out for signs maybe. That will save you money. Okay, you don't want to get stuck in there and then for minutes and minutes or hours can be you're running but you're not moving, or the car is running but you're not moving at all. You're spending that gas. Okay, anticipation will save you money. Okay, and of course listen to traffic reports, maybe even weather forecasts. Okay, you're planning for a longer trip, for example, it's good to know what's gonna happen weather-wise, as well as, of course, you think about on that time is more on the day, you should know what's going on the road. So listen to the traffic reports, will save you money as well, part of your anticipation. And another one, as I said, avoid unnecessary idling. Okay, if you needed to stop to pick up something, if it's gonna be more than a minute, turn that one off, okay? Or maybe even more than 30 seconds, turn that car off. Okay, some of you, especially during this time, it's winter time, you want to go into the car and kind of in a warm car, okay? Especially in the morning, for example. I know remote control, or remote starter rather, would help it so much, but hey guys, spending 5 minutes to 10 minutes idling the car or just trying to warm up the car, that will not really help so much. Okay, what I'm saying in here is that you're spending that too much money in there, too much consumption in your gas. Clean the car off the snow, and then by then when you're kind of ready, turn on the car. Yeah, spend some time, I guess, catch up your breath in there, or maybe kind of relaxing a little bit, and then you should be good to go. A minute should be good. Yeah, it doesn't need to be too long. 5 minutes, guys, it's too much. Okay, avoid unnecessary idling, as well as your kind of anticipation will really save you money. Okay, tip number 4, very important. Avoid speeding. Okay, driving too fast. I know you think about, okay, I want to be fast, I want to be there early. I tell you, it consumes more money. Okay, another benefits of that one, think of this one. Okay, think of your ideal speed, a fuel efficient speed between 50 and 80. So anything more than that, you are spending more. Okay, so the benefits of avoiding over speeding. Okay, obviously avoiding yourself getting involved in an accident. Okay, the faster you go, for sure, the faster you can get involved in a collision. Most likely you can get involved in a collision. Follow the speed limit, guys. It will save you money, at the same time will keep you safe. Okay, of course, as I said, gonna get into an accident. Another one is avoiding tickets. Okay, of course, the faster you go, there you go, police might be there. You can experience, have you seen people, you call it undercover police as well, you're gonna get caught. Okay, so I know sometimes you think about, okay, I know the area, there's no police here, I can go fast as I can. There might be air traffic patrol as well. You have to be careful. Follow the speed limit, safe for you, safe for others, you're saving money. Okay, that's tip number 4, avoid high speeding or avoid over speeding. Okay, technique number 5, of course, coast to decelerate. Okay, coast to decelerate. That means doing nothing because you know that you're gonna be stopping, or you know that you're gonna be slowing down. So don't press the gas, and obviously because you press the gas, you're gonna press the brakes harder as well. So easy, guys. If you know ahead, stop sign or red light, coast. Okay, let go gas, let go brakes, let the car slows down by itself, and then you brake gently if you really need it to stop. Okay, so coast to decelerate. That will really save you money. Okay, guys, those are the 5 techniques that I'm sharing with you today. Again, in order to save money, or in order to become a fuel efficient driving. As I said, not only you're saving money, you're saving the environment as well. So practice those habits, 5 techniques. In your everyday driving, you're gonna expect you will be saving money. You're keeping yourself safe again, and then safe also for other road users. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, stay well. God bless you always. Thank you so much.